So you are looking for real ways to make money online this year. Well, let me guess. You are tired of the same generic advice that sounds good, but literally gets you nowhere. And you're wondering, is there actually something that works? Well, the truth is, yes, there is. It's going to take some work. However, if you stick with me and follow what I'm about to share with you today, step by step, you'll be setting yourself up for a year of real progress. Now, you may ask, how do you know if this video is for me? Well, if you've been feeling completely overwhelmed about how to make money online this year, like you are drowning in options, but you don't know exactly where to start, then this video is especially for you. So now in this video, I'm going to walk you through how I use ChatGPT to design my income stream strategy and how you can use it to finally find the right path to making money online this year. I'm just going to tell you how I did it and how you can do it too. The first thing I did was to grab a sheet of paper and to be really clear about my current situation. So for me, as at then, I had just lost my job and I needed to figure out how to start earning money again. But I also wanted to focus on something I actually enjoyed doing and was good at. So I wrote down my situation, lost my job, looking to create sustainable online income. Now, think about your own situation. Where are you right now? Are you trying to escape from the 9 to 5? Did you also lose your job? Are you looking for maybe just extra income? Or maybe you're just tired of feeling stuck and you just need clarity on what you should do? Well, write it down. Trust me, putting it on paper actually helps you see it more clearly because if you see where you are currently, you can be able to better plan where you want to head to. Now, the next thing I did was I made two lists. In the first list, I wrote down everything I'm good at, the skills I've developed over the years, even if they did not feel super relevant. And in the second list, I wrote down potential income streams that I had been thinking about. So this is what you can do. You want to get two sheets of paper where you write two lists down. And the first list is any skill that you've picked over the years. Now, you do not have to be super perfect at it. And that's the mistake a lot of people make. They feel they need to be an expertise in a particular skill, but you just need to be proficient enough in it that you can pass it down to another person. It could be writing, drawing, painting, hairstyling, whatever it is. Then on the second list, you want to write down the ways that you might want to make money. Probably the ways that you've made money online before or the ways that you feel you can make money online, even if they feel a little out of reach at the moment. Now, once you've done all that, here is where ChatGPT comes in. So once I'd written all of that, I went to ChatGPT and I gave it a super detailed prompt. So this is what I said. You're my lifeline when I need advice. I'm a da-da-da old lady who currently lost her job last month, and I decided to pause on applying jobs for a while and focus on building something for myself. Now, I'm putting in my current situation about losing a job. If you are simply looking for a side hustle, you say, I currently have a job that is not well paid and I'm looking for a side hustle. You want to give ChatGPT as much detail as possible, including the amount of spare time you have for yourself. For example, I also work on weekends, but I have only 2 to 3 hours daily to do extra stuff. You want to put on what you are currently doing. If you've not currently started doing anything, you can say, I have not currently started doing anything, which is why I've come to you. Something of that sort. You also want to give ChatGPT the progress, if you have made any progress. So if you've been posting on Instagram trying to sell some digital products, and maybe you've gotten like 2 sales, so you can say, I've only gotten 2 sales so far in the last so months. You need to be detailed. Now, I'm clear on what I want, like really detailed. So you don't just go and tell ChatGPT, give me income streams, because ChatGPT can give you streams that may not even afford you the time to do. Just tell ChatGPT what you want as detailed as possible. Now, you want to write below is a list of my potential stream of income. You want to list it down. So whatever you've written down, you want to impute it here. Now, you want to list all the skills under the sun that you know or that you are proficient in well enough to pass it down to a total beginner and just give a little touch up on it. So you want to give your level of proficiency. So for example, if you are into hairstyling, you can say, I was creating wigs for my mom and my siblings, but I haven't done it in commercial skill. Whatever experience you have or whatever proficiency you have, you want to give ChatGPT as much as that. What can I leverage on easily, which I would enjoy doing that can bring in tangible income for me, whilst allowing me to continue to build my potential income stream and how to go about it? I need a strategic and detailed action plan. The more detail you give ChatGPT, the better the strategy it will create for you. So if I went ahead to just say, you are my lifeline when I need advice, give me, maybe I'm looking for extra side hustles, and I just say, give me extra side hustles I can do, you would see also even the one that you cannot do. And this was the response I got here. You can see how detailed it is. But before you just zoom off with these details, what you want to do is you want to scan through it and ensure that it is something that is actually doable to you. It still felt far of a reach in terms of action plan, like how exactly do I start? So if that is also your case, maybe you don't see how to start exactly, you can also go ahead. And I told ChatGPT, but how do I juggle all this action plan alongside my current schedule? I told ChatGPT my current schedule that would cut out some of the time for me, and that is what you should do. How do I balance this alongside the action plan, as I do not want to hire somebody? So these prompts are actually quite comprehensive. So if you'd like me to attach the prompt, comment the word prompt in the comment section, and I will definitely attach the script to the prompt. So now with this comprehensive prompt, ChatGPT will break down everything for you step by step. It will show you exactly how to leverage which of your skills, how to start with low cost or low cost strategies, and even how to market yourself to get results better. How to do your weekly schedule, plan it, your day. In the morning, do this. In the afternoon, do this. In the evening, do this. So imagine how much time you have saved by ChatGPT doing the heavy lifting for you. So instead of feeling stuck or overwhelmed, you already have a clear roadmap to follow. And this is something that you possibly must have done trial and error, but ChatGPT has given it to you on a platter of gold. And this one is tailored to you and your situation. So I'm not telling you copy this exact format. I'm giving you the format I use for myself and how you can tailor it to your own particular situation. So now that you have gotten this blueprint, you know how to use ChatGPT to create a personalized income strategy tailored to your own skills and goals. Here's the next step and the most important thing. It is up to you to now implement these things. This is where your commitment and your dedication comes in, even when it feels tough or when progress seems slow, because this is a blueprint to follow. Always note that the people who succeed at making money online aren't necessarily the smartest or the most skilled. They are typically the ones who stay consistent and keep going. So I want you to remember this. This strategy you create with ChatGPT is just the first step. What matters most is what you do next, whether it's reaching out to potential clients, setting up your online store, or even starting that YouTube channel. So for those of you who said, this year I'm going to start a YouTube channel, but I don't know how, put it in your prompt and ChatGPT is going to give you a detailed strategy guide. So you've got to take that first step and then keep making more steps every single day. I wish you the best and ciao.